A wide variety of whole, fresh, nutrient-dense foods is important for maintaining optimal health. Eating a healthy balance of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats not only nourishes our body, it balances blood sugar levels, which will keep our metabolism on track and keep our energy up throughout the day. Here's some tips for success. Shop primarily from the perimeter of your grocery store, where fresh foods are sold. Eat local. This will ensure that you're eating seasonally, which will guarantee that you aren't eating the same foods year-round. Use a variety of spices, which will not only add flavor, but are high in antioxidants, which protect us from disease. Cook with healthy oils, like coconut oil and olive oil. Read the label. High fructose corn syrup or trans fats, put it back. Trust your instincts. If you don't feel good about it, you probably shouldn't be eating it. Lastly, studies have shown that organic foods are more nutrient dense, and because of the absence of chemicals and added hormones, far less damaging to our endocrine system. Organic can be more expensive, but the cost of high quality, nutrient dense foods now will lower your healthcare expenses later.